Greetings. I want to speak to you concerning how we are all connected and how we are all one. You see, most people are connected with others through the cell phone or through the World Wide Web. And most people focus on that form of connection. But there's a connection whereby there's one universal consciousness. There's a connection whereby we are all one. And there's one divine mind. And each and every one of us have a mind. And we've been individualized, yet one mind, but different arrangement of that one mind. You see, every one of us has been given the same amount of time to be the best version of ourselves. But we have to understand that divine connection and how whatever we desire, when we send out our intention, is going to connect because we are all one. So someone may have a problem and you have the solution. So life is basically based on problems and solution. Okay, I'm using the word problem for lack of words, but when you understand cause and effect, okay, you will realize that you are the cause of everything that's happening in your life, and the effects are the things that are happening on the outside. So everyone in this life, okay, we all have needs, and there's someone who can definitely meet that need in that area that you might need help, because we all have been given a different gift, and all of us came here for a purpose. We came here to serve each other, and so we are strong as the weakest link. Okay, and that is why unity is strength. And so when we vibrate on the same kind of frequency, knowing that we are all energy, you being a mass of energy, and energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be transmuted. And you understand thought frequency. You'll have the right thoughts, and you will vibrate on the right frequency to connect with others who are of like-mindedness, or who have the same mind like you. That is why you're told to be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Okay, so my brother and my sisters, there are incoming and outgoing thoughts. You have to understand that your outgoing thoughts is more powerful than the incoming thoughts. That's why you can stop or block those incoming thoughts, especially if they are negative. Try as much as possible to get rid of those negative thoughts and focus more on your outgoing positive thoughts. That is why there's power in positive thinking. So I just take this time out to bring these words of encouragement to you, to help to strengthen you and to motivate you to know that we are all one, we are all connected, and whatever is your desire in this world, whatever you would like to achieve in this world, there are many people out there who are willing to help you, because you're gonna meet their needs and they're gonna meet your needs also. Okay, so they have a situation to deal with and you have the solution. So remember, you are a problem solver. Whenever you read about the Christ, whenever you read about the healer, whenever you read about the Savior, it is not a man 2,000 years ago. It is the saving, redeeming, creative, innovative, all-knowing, and all-powerful power that is within you that you can use to achieve your every desire. And this power is the power of imagination. That's why you can do and be and have anything that you desire in this world, if you know how to use your imagination, if you know how to manipulate energy, because everything is based on energy, vibration, and frequency. Therefore, use your imagination wisely to create your life whichever way you want it to be, knowing that we are all connected. We are all one. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, I like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at BlackMadGuru. And I will encourage you to check out all of the links that are down below to get a hold of my work and support this work if it's of benefit to you. So as I leave you, I want to say to you, when you finish listening to this video, to go and check out all the links that are down below, and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all.